First thing is first, I'm going to be showing off my little toothless. I got him yesterday on Christmas. He is like a Hatchimal, if you know what those are. The ones where they hatch themselves. So, here he is. It took about 10 to 20 minutes to make him hatch. He has 7 different mods, counting 0. So, their first mod, he is off right now. So if you come down here, you see that 0? You click it to nothing and then... Yeah, be quiet. Okay, so this is what he's like. He's so cute. So, you train him. You touch his belly. Let go. He shoots. If you do... Nope. No, not that. He flies, look. And he gets annoyed when you do this. He gets mad. You're not flying. Oh, stop. And he has a fish. And so the fish has these 3 little scales. And you put the scales in front of his mouth. And he eats. And I forgot what some of the switches do. But my personal, you can play hot potato with him. But my personal favorite is number 3. Roar! Roar! He roars back at you. Sometimes he won't, and sometimes he will. Roar! And so, I think number 4, I believe, you can play hot potato. He's going to shoot, and when he gets ready to shoot, whoever gets blasted when you play hot potato is out. And that's how Toothless is.